欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
People are starting to stare. Can you keep your voice down, please?
Absolutely. We wouldn't want them to think we're not happy.
People are starting to stare.
大家开始盯着我们了。大家开始盯着我们了。
Can you keep your voice down, please?
把声音放低点。把声音放低点。
Absolutely.
绝对要哈。绝对要哈。
We wouldn't want them to think we're not happy.
不能让人觉得我们不幸福啊。不能让人觉得我们不幸福啊。我们先来学一下生词。大家开始盯着我们了。大家开始盯着We'll look at this word a bit more later with examples. 我们了 We'll discuss this usage in a future episode. Notice for the word 盯着 you must spell out clearly at whom they are staring. Otherwise, 盯着 will not make sense. 把声音放低点。把 Check out episode 5 for a detailed discussion of its use with examples. 声音放低点放低点 We'll also have a look at this word a bit more later with the examples. 绝对要哈绝对要For correct grammar and to be in line with how people normally speak, this is the main word of the sentence. It's short for yes, we must lower our voice. We'll look at this grammar point a bit more in future episodes. Ha. This is one of the frequent words in social media texting. It's generally used to add friendliness to your faceless text on a screen. Here, she's trying to make light of her husband's serious request for lowering their voice, and this is part of her sounding a bit dismissive. 不能让人觉得我们不幸福啊。不能让 Check out episode 2 for a detailed discussion of this word. 人觉得让人觉得我们不幸福不幸福 This term is particularly about having a blissful family life. This is just adding a slight tone of sarcasm. As explained before, this is to add a slight tone of sarcasm. Something 着 while something is happening, while an action is currently in progress and in a continuous state. 盯着 staring at. 站着 standing or while standing. 说着 speaking or while speaking. 打着电话 while you're on the phone. 点 On its own it means points, dots, but it's also used to form comparable terms such as earlier, better, quicker, etc. 把声音放低点 Lower your voice. 好点了吗 Feeling better? 我想早点去。I want to go earlier. 快点，快点。Hurry up, hurry up. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
Bree, you shouldn't have gone to all this trouble.
It was no trouble at all. Now the basket with the red ribbon is filled with desserts for your guests, but the one with the blue ribbon is just for you and Zachary.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。